Okay, so I'm here to view Castleview Way. Beautiful little place. Little one-car garage, two-story townhome style property. It's right off the interstate, so everything is very, very nearby. Shopping, restaurants, you name it. Everything is right here. Super cute little place. Cabinets are pretty nice. Definitely not builder original stuff. They're a little more upgraded than some of the stuff the builders would have put in here. So it's got your living area down with your half bath here. I'll show you the kitchen and the garage in a second. Living dining combo here. Beautiful little outside area. It's got a nice little screen lanai with some privacy screen there and nobody in the back, so it's super private. Carpet's okay. It's a little worn. It could probably be cleaned, but if it were me, I probably would replace it. It can use some paint. It's got a lot of little stuff like this throughout where someone tried to patch and it's a little splotchy, so I probably would paint and replace the carpet personally. The rest of it looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's got black appliances, which is not a big deal. These look okay. It's got a little pantry. And then the garage is a one-car garage, so that's pretty nice. It's got the little curb stop here so no one hits the hot water heater. And let's take a run upstairs and have a look at the bedrooms. Okay, these are pretty great floor plans here. This one's the 3-bedroom with the 2.5 baths. So this one's your primary room with the ensuite bathroom. It's got a garden tub, shower. That light's not going on. I don't know if there's burnt bulbs or what the situation is. Same cabinets here as downstairs. Just basic, not easy close or anything, but nice cabinetry. Again, the carpet's a bit worn. And the paint, I think it could use flooring and paint throughout. Really good size walk-in closet. Tall ceilings. I don't know if you can see this, by the way, but the ceilings are pretty tall. These are 8-foot doors and then, or not 8-foot, 6-foot doors, sorry. And you have room ahead of it. Laundry is upstairs, so your washer and dryer is right here in the hallway. Room for soap and all that stuff. And then your other 2 bedrooms are here with a hall bathroom. This is going to be the smaller one of the 3. Small little closets, good for either a guest room or study. And then this is good for either a parent's room or roommate, however you guys decide to set that up. It's got another little closet here. Pretty tall ceilings. And again, these 2 rooms just share with the hall bath, but it's a split floor plan, so they're kind of separate from each other. Lots of storage in this place. That's your AC closet and your bathroom. Pretty good size room, basic bathroom. It's got tile, not that plastic stuff. And that's it. This is going to conclude our tour here on Castleview. If you got questions, give me a ring. I'm here to help and answer anything else you got. I would definitely budget for painting and carpet. All right, bye for now.